Hi peeps, welcome back to my channel. Today's video focuses on strengthening our hands, mouth, and lungs. So this first activity just calls for a few items that you may even have lying around your house. I'm using a styrofoam block, a rubber mallet, some golf tees, and a couple of markers that match the colors of the golf tees. I'm going to start by pushing this frame just a little bit for you. And then get your hammer. And then baby, ready?
Boom, boom, boom.
You do it. Boom. Good job. You want to stand up and do it so you can see it? There you go. Good job, good job. This is such a great activity that targets hand-eye coordination as well as finger and hand strength.
Dum, 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 dum.
Good job, sweetie. Good. What about the next one? So because Kai does not have the greatest control of the mallet, he's using the side of it to ensure he hits his target. As he gets more familiar with this activity, you'll see him using the head of the mallet to hit the golf tee. Push, push. Good. Okay. Push it in hard. Where I am. Okay. So you can easily modify this activity and throw in some visual scanning by taking your colored markers and putting dots on the other side of the block. Have your child choose the corresponding colored tee, place it on the dot, and they can steady the tee while the other hand hammers the tee into the block. Where's the blue go? Hit it. There you go. Okay, you hit it. Good. You hit it with the hammer now. Hold it up here, baby. It's easy. Okay, what color's next? Red. Yeah! Kiss. Have a kiss. So in this activity, we are modifying the typical blowing bubbles by using some dish soap, some straws, and food coloring for a pop of color. I'd recommend using plastic straws instead of paper straws. We just happen to have paper straws lying around. If you're worried about your kid drinking dish soap water, you can actually poke holes in the straw about 1 inch from the top, and that'll keep them from getting the water in their mouth. The more dish soap you add, the more bubbles you will have. The more drops of food coloring, the more vibrant your water. I'd fill your bowl up about halfway. This is a little bit lower than I ended up using. This activity is great for little kids because it teaches them to blow through pursed lips, which is something that they'll need to learn to do if they want to spit toothpaste out of their mouth while brushing their teeth. And blow like this. Yeah, blow.
Blow. Blow.
Blow. Blowing through a straw definitely works your lungs, and it will increase lung capacity with practice. One thing I will say is this activity is best with a group of children. Everyone gets a straw and blows bubbles. It's a lot of work for one person to blow a bunch of bubbles. Wow. you have older kiddos, a fun modification may be giving each child a bowl with water and soap and seeing who can blow the biggest bubbles the fastest. So those are 2 different activities you can do that will help strengthen lungs, hands, and mouth. If you guys give it a try, let me know how it goes. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Thank you. Bye.